Alright, we're going to get started here quick with creating dimensions in lesson 2. So we're going to go back into this sketch that we were working on, and if you right click it, you can edit it, and it allows you to go back in and access all of your dimension tools. And if you want to change dimensions, you just grab the dimension tool in the top toolbar, click on a side, so on this rectangle, just clicking on the sides, changing it to 2 and 1. Okay, and notice you can also do this on circles, just like we did before. Okay, if I want to edit the value in there, all I have to do is double click on the dimension that's there, change the value. Okay, if I take my polygon here, I'm going to turn this into a triangle. Okay, so this first box is going to adjust the size. The second box that I highlight here will adjust the number of sides. Okay, so we'll make this a triangle. Okay, now this measurement here is 1 inch from the center of the triangle to the edge. Okay, so I'll make that 0.5. And now the other way that you can adjust dimensions is by clicking on an actual side of the polygon. Alright, you can follow up with setting constraints in the next lesson.